Olivia singing, obviously. She is singing in sacrament meeting today. Ow. This is the first time Olivia has ever sang in church.
Second time, actually. I did it once with like 2 other girls.
Oh.
I did a group thing, but this is like by myself, like actually singing. So yeah.
Okay. Are you nervous? Are you excited?
I'm more excited.
You'll do great. I think that I mean, I can only imagine. I think the piano was really loud, but I'm just like, yes, she'll be in front of a microphone, and the way I was sitting, I was like right in the, yeah, so, you know, it was fine. At least the piano sounded immaculate. Okay. All right, does everyone have, Lincoln, put your shoes on. It's time to go.